let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate samba choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with whisk to left, then man dances whisk to right and lady spot volta turn, then rolling off the arm. In second bar, man dances kickball change, and now on same feet we dance Cruzados walks and lock. We continue with Carioca runs, to left and then to right. We continue with continuous Cruzados locks. Now we dance Corta Jaca. And now we will change feet with whisk to left. Now man dances kickball change. This is foot change for him. Then rhythm bounce and traveling volta to left. Very good. Let's look once again. So we start in close hold and dance whisk to left. Now lady will dance volta spot turn to left and rolling off the arm. Man dances kickball change, so we are now on same foot and dance Cruzados walks and lock. We continue with Carioca runs and continuous Cruzados locks. Then Corta Jaca on same foot. Now we dance whisk to left and foot change. Man dances kickball change, lady volta turn to right, and then rhythm bounce and traveling voltas. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.